For making lusis, take all the flour in a bowl and add Nigella seeds and salt into it and mix it well for a few minutes. After mixing it for a while, we are going to add oil into it and shorten the flour. This will make the lusis fluffy and soft. To keep in mind, we are making this for around 5 to 6 people. After shortening the flour, we are going to add lukewarm water little by little into the flour mixture and knead it into a soft and fluffy dough. How you're going to test whether your dough is fluffy and soft or not? Just press it with your finger. If it bounces back, then it is soft and fluffy, and if it doesn't work, then you have to knead it again for a few minutes. This is shown in the later part of this video. Now I will press the dough with a finger and it bounces back. That means it is soft. Now I will cover it with a wet cloth for it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Take out a part from that big dough and make small balls of around 8 to 10 grams and then shape it into spherical balls. It will help to flatten the bread. This is how it is done. Now flatten the spherical balls with the help of a rolling pin into a 2 mm thickness flat bread, and then we are ready to go and fry it. Dip into the oil it needs and then fry for around 6 to 8 seconds on each side and flip it over and fry it until it turns out soft and fluffy. This is how it is done. I hope you have enjoyed the video and will be happily adding this Assamese Lusi as a side dish along with your main dish of chicken or some creamy paneer gravy or vegetable gravy. Happy cooking to you. আশা কৰো আপোনাৰ এই ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল লাগিল। যদি ভাল লাগিল তেনেহলে এই ভিডিওটোক লাইক আৰু শেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু লগতে আমাৰ এই চেনেলটোক সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি কাষতে থকা বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি দিব আৰু বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি আমাক কৃতাৰ্থ কৰে যেন। ধন্যবাদ।